Alright folks, I'm going to be taking, this is Fat Guy Flies RC, I'm going to be taking up the Hobbyzone Aeroscout now, out here at the Avon Park Field. Now the thing about the Aeroscout is great little FPV platform, but she is a pusher, and like most pushers, can be noisy. Great beginning plane. She's gliding in now. Yeah, you can fly her slow. A nice coordinated turn there. Another coordinated turn. And that's what I'm talking about, coordinated turn. Is that you're trying to just keep her running flat, like you're almost two-dimensional. And that's what I'm doing right now. She got a great look. I'm running a 2200 smart battery in her right now. If I can get her to land, that's the other problem. She doesn't want to land. Yeah, she does not want to land. She wants to stay in the sky and keep flying. She's so light though. All right. Actually, I need a little bit of up. All right. She's a fun little plane, great trainer plane. Turn the motor off, let her glide in. The motor's off right now. There you go. But anytime you got a pusher prop, that prop is usually pretty close to the back of the wings, the back of the fuselage, and that being the proximity to that makes a lot of noise. Now if the prop is further back, never touched. But if the prop was positioned a little further back and away from the surfaces, then it wouldn't be quite so much noise. There wouldn't be so much turbulence around that prop, causing it to make that much noise. All right. Yeah, I need to put some more expo in that rudder because she's real responsive. All right, let's try this again here. Yeah, she's very, very responsive, but that's okay. All right, let's just glide her in here. Basically, I'm dead sticking her right now because she just so light, so light. I gotta get as much braking as I can. Most planes you're gonna give them a little bit of. Most planes you want to give them a little bit of power as they land, with a 1/16 or an 1/8 of throttle, but not this one. She floats so easy that Yeah, I'm just using my rudder now. Well, use a little bit of elevator then at the very last second. But let's see, she'll do loops and rolls. You know, some of your basic aerobatics. See if I can get a knife edge out of her. Yeah, there you go. There's a knife edge there. Interesting thing about this plane though, the entire elevator moves. The entire elevator. So it's a full floating stab, as it's called. I think I just saw some lightning off in the east. All right. One more time. Kind of bounced up in the air. Turn that motor off. Just let her float. A little bit of elevator. A little bit of rudder. Our glide right on by. Okay, motor now. Whoa. Now, the motor on this does not give you a lot of sudden torque. You've got to let it wind up a little bit, kind of like an EDF. I like those big tires though. I'd like to put a more powerful motor on this, a little more torque, but there's no need. I mean, I would like to, but you know what? She's a nice little trainer. Floats in so nice and sweet. Real economical on the batteries. Alright, stay on my rudder there, keep her nice and straight. Okay. Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Alright folks, so that's the Hobbyzone Aeroscout. Great little plane, great little trainer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Fat Guy Flies RC, and God bless.